There was a flood down here. These are all light sockets for something. And there's one more down there. I don't know what this contraption is, but it's totally encrusted with webs. It's been down here for who knows how long. There's that old tire. It's a tire from like the 20s or 30s maybe. There's no writing on the tire that I could see. That's what it looks like inside. Inside the rubber. Yeah, there was a really cool machine. It's gone now. This is some kind of a plow. It was probably pulled by like a truck. I doubt it was horse pulled. No way. But it's old. It's at least 90 years old. This wheel has seen better days. Oh, this one has writing on it. It says, oh, cool. Davis Deluxe 4-ply. Nice. I'm glad there's some writing at least on this one. I'd like some identification on who made it. There's just no writing anywhere. It's cool though. It's probably the only one that you'll ever see. And then here's a very primitive snowblower. It's chain driven. Excuse me. Cool. Let's go around now to the machine that was made here in Ridgewood, New Jersey. Here's how they pulled it. It's all bent up. That's where they would have pulled it. And this thing's steered. Maybe there was a steering wheel at one time. Very old motor from the 1920s, the late 1920s. And then here's like the maker of the machine. Marlowe Pumps, Ridgewood, New Jersey, USA. Okay. Now I believe there's a patent date on this machine somewhere. That was where the fuel went or something. Excuse me a minute. There's still some string, some rope. It'd probably break if I pulled on it. I don't know what that is. What are they? I don't know what that is. There's some writing right here. It's too rusty though. Let's see if there's a date anywhere. Maybe right here. Yeah. $1926. See? 11/23/1926. It's cool. It's over 90 years old. There's a wheel right here. Whoa, that's a big spider. Already they're big. Oh, this is like a tool right there. It's made of wood. It's wood. All right, well. Thatcher Furnace Company. Can you read that? Well, anyway, it's too faded. And this was also made in New Jersey. Made in Garwood, New Jersey. Cool. That's what it looked like inside.